Hi everyone! Welcome back! Look everyone, we have a lot of animals here. Let's learn some fun and amazing facts about animals in English. Are you ready? Let's go! This is a dog, did you know? Dogs can understand over 100 words and gestures. That's why they're such great friends to humans. This is a goat. Did you know goats have rectangular pupils? Yes, square-shaped eyes. It helps them see super well in the dark. This is a tiger. Did you know? No two tigers have the same stripes. They're like fingerprints, unique and beautiful. This is a hippo. Did you know hippos can sleep underwater? Their body just floats up for air without waking them up. This is gorilla. Did you know? Gorillas are peaceful and shy, not scary at all. They can laugh when tickled and even make tools. This is a cow, did you know? Cows can smell things from over 6 kilometers away. They also love to chew for almost 8 hours a day. This is an elephant. Did you know elephants can use their trunks to drink, grab food, and even give hugs? They're strong, smart, and super kind. This is panda. Did you know pandas spend up to 14 hours a day eating bamboo? They're gentle, fluffy, and super cute.